So over the last 10 to 15 years, we've seen a lot of technologies emerge that provide opportunities on the distribution system. We have advanced sensing, monitoring, control that we can implement across the distribution system to both operate and maintain it more efficiently. Grid modernization is the compilation of all of these new technologies implemented in a way that makes the grid more efficient, more cost-effective, and more responsive to customer needs.
ScottMadden's Grid Modernization Roadmap is a set of tools and frameworks that will help you to identify, prioritize, and justify your grid modernization investments. So it includes things like current state assessments and gap analyses, as well as cost-benefit modeling and benchmarking against leading practices that will allow you to justify these investments to your regulator.
Regulators are looking to take advantage of the technologies that are being offered today to make the grid more efficient and effective. Customers want to engage more effectively with their utility, so regulators see their role as shaping this process.
From a utility's perspective, we believe that these changes are coming, whether you're prepared for them or not, because of changing customer expectations and advances in technology. And the danger is that you get left behind, or you're trying to play catch up. What we've seen and what we advise our clients is that it's better to stay ahead of this trend.
So what ScottMadden has to offer is the opportunity to look at your current portfolio of investments and prioritize grid modernization investments in a way that increases the capabilities of the grid, increases the touch points to customers, and enables the entire portfolio to be put in front of a regulator in a way that makes sense, both from a cost and benefits perspective.
So we worked with the utility a few years ago to develop their grid mod roadmap. Our client had developed a high-level strategy and outlined billions of dollars that they intended to invest in their distribution system over the next decade or 2 decades, but they had no idea where to start.
And what we did with this process and set of frameworks that we have is guide them through prioritizing those investments in a way that focused first on those foundational technologies that enabled many opportunities, and then help them tell the story to the regulator.
Grid modernization is happening all over the country, and not just in the states that are getting all the headlines. It's important for our utility clients to get ahead of this trend.
ScottMadden's Grid Modernization Roadmap can help you create a plan that makes sense for you.